If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, did quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face I hear the voice and you don't know say a KOGENCY, but a KOGENCY Reacts channel. And today we have Tscam Corona. Now I already told you guys that I was gonna react to this, you know, dog. And the thing is, I have it in my playlist on my phone, so every time I was there listening to music, the song would have started and I hear the beat. I'm like, fam, I don't react to it yet, man. I can't listen to it yet. But now I'm reacting to it, so hopefully the beat, cause the way of the 808 start off, bro, the beat sound like it's about to be a mad thing, sad thing, bad thing, glad thing. You understand? I just want to jump into this one. So hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. And yeah, let me know where you want me to react to next. And yeah, let's jump into it. Oh, you see what I mean? Imagine hearing this on a speaker. Listen to this. Oh man, you feel that in your chest, bro. God damn. Fuck, you know, listen to the melody.
I Tweako mixed this, you know.
Oh, Tweako.
Yeah, me and bros in the tea, latex and a mask not for corona. Bagging up pub bros, whipping up Yola. TT with cats lose composure. Brown and bad, till I bring it to the owner. You might see me with the sweetest baddie, I might just blow out her back and choke her. Me and bros in the tea, latex and a mask not for corona. Bagging up pub bros, whipping up Yola. TT with cats lose composure. Brown and bad, till I bring it to the owner. You might see me with the sweetest baddie, I might just blow out her back and choke her.
What the fuck is going on, bro? You hear this beat, dog? This beat is going like 160 miles per hour, fam. Meaning like, bro, what the fuck? Bro, this beat is amazing, dog. Jesus Christ, who made it? Is there a tag that I hear? I know Tweako mixed it, but I don't know who made it. Can I hear the start? DT5. Oh my God, no wonder. It's just DT5? This, oh my God. I know that. I know the sound of that tag. I just don't know like what him say or whose tag it is. But those two tags, DT5 and that guy, that's why, bro. This beat is disgusting. Oh my God. Even listen to their snares, bro.
I Tweako mixed this, you know.
It's and then Tweako mixing. Oh no. Oh.
Me and bros in the tea, latex and a mask not for corona. Bagging up pub bros, whipping up Yola. TT with cats lose composure. Brown and bad, till I bring it to the owner. You might see me with the sweetest baddie, I might just blow out her back and choke her. Me and bros in the tea, latex and a mask not for corona. Bagging up pub bros, whipping up Yola. TT with cats lose composure. Brown and bad, till I bring it to the owner. You might see me with the sweetest baddie, I might just blow out her back and choke her. I watched him slip, didn't give him the tip. I pulled till I reached the handle. Hunting, blow lights out, no candle. 22-inch on my waist for shit dangle. I jump at the right, show man about angles, or lean at the right, let it slap like sandals. If this still bangs, I might have cuss on my wrist like bangles. I'm in the field in my
this still bangs, I might have cuss on my wrist like bangles.
Like sandals. If this still bangs, I might have cuss on my wrist like bangles. I'm in the field in my Astro turf. I'm off the Henny trying to leave man burst. You better mind what you do with them hands, throwing up guns, hands put him in a hearse. And them man into the rap cap, the bros do verified verse. I'm like, who's that chillin' at the Zams? Yo, A-Kid, fling it and run. Me and bros in the tea, latex and a mask not for corona. Bagging up bad bros with.
Dog, like what? How do you just keep flowing like that, bro? Like that's unfair.
If this still bangs, I might have cuffs on my wrist like bangles.
If this still bangles, I might have cuffs on my wrist like bangles. Like mad, that right, bro? What? Just pull up the entire verse, bro. Nah, fuck that shit, man.
Might just blow out back and choke. I watched him slip, didn't give him the tip. I pulled till I reached.
Should he say no homo for that? I watched him slip, didn't give him the tip. Did he say didn't give him the tip? Did he say that?
Sweetest baddie, I might just blow out back and choke. I watched him slip, didn't give him the tip. I pulled till I reached the handle.
Oh, okay, I didn't give him the tip. Oh, okay. So it's not positive. I thought he said he did. He said I bought till I reached the handle. All right, bro. I was just about to say something about being no homo and you're trying to kill people. All right, fam. Say no more, fam.
I ain't gonna say no homo no more, bro.
Yeah, I might just blow out her back and choke her. I watched him slip, didn't give him the tip. I pulled till I reached the handle. Hunting, blow lights out, no candle. 22-inch on my waist for shit dangle. I jump at the right, show man about angles. Or lean at the right, let it slap like sandals. If this still bangs, I might have cuffs on my wrist like bangles. I'm in the field in my Astro turf. I'm off the Henny trying to leave man burst.
I'm in the field of my Astro turf.
Might have cuffs on my wrist like bangles. I'm in the field in my Astro turf. I'm off the Henny trying to leave man burst. You better mind what you do with them hands, throwing up guns. Hands put him in a hearse. And them man into the rap cap. The bros do verified verse. I'm like, who's that chillin' at the Zams? Yo, A-Kid, fling it and run. Me and bros in the T, latex and a mask, not for Corona. Bagging up bad bros, whipping up Yola. TT whip cats lose composure. Brown and bad till I bring it to the owner. You might see me with the sweetest baddie. I might just blow out her back and choke her. I'm back and I'm better. Got me feeling like Bryson Tiller. All I hear is bro, this bro, that but your bro died when my bro hopped on the dinger.
Whoa, stop, whoa, bro.
Got me feeling like Bryson Tiller. All I hear is bro, this bro, that but your bro died when my bro hopped on the dinger.
Huh. Let's just calm down for a second, bro. One said, all I hear is bro this, bro that, but your bro died when my bro hopped out the dinger. Bro, I'm saying bro no, like, I always say bro, but fam, dog, you understand? Like, how do you think of that, dog? Like, why did you put that in the song, bro? That's mad, dog. Like, just the way how the bars just come across and the sequencing and like everything is just, it's mad, bro. I can't even explain it to you.
The sweetest baddie, I might just blow out her
Back and choke her.
I'm back and I'm
Better.
Got me feeling like
Bryson Tiller.
All I hear is bro, this bro, that but your bro died when my bro hopped on the dinger. Them man talk like a bad court case, enough of them man turned singer. Them man ain't real, we're real head steam, bro. Damn, the suspect, do it for the skriller. If I got a drop over the
Wait, what?
singer, them man ain't real, we're real head steam, bro. Damn, the suspect, do it for the skriller. If I got a drop over there with it loaded, I'm gonna smoke him. Who said I wasn't rolling? I was in job for 2 whack for ops and induction. Back to my plug and smoked him. 018, I left something soaking. 019, I left something soaking. When Joe came up 5 months, me and little bro done us a boot and try to leave them smoking. I got a 4-4 on my waist, walking a bit fucked like I just pulled my hamstring. You don't wanna see gang on that gang to back, cause ZK's there, rip me and ramping. I'm browsing shank up high, I don't wanna talk big about migraine skanking. Still trying to do it like Broad the assassin, back the hand thing and leave man when he's standing. I love riding, I love paper. Should I re-up tonight or should I go ruin or option break out? Anytime we ride this on the newspapers. No one cut talk on blitz, enough tanks at back turn, up block shaker. I'm trying to shoot and score like Neymar. Aiken stays round bread like a baker.
You hear that beat? Whoa, 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 whoa. And there's no way I wasn't going to pull up all of that bars and flows that Tscam was doing, bro. It was just, he kept going, so I didn't want to stop him, but...
Bro, damn, the suspect, do it for the skriller. If I got a drop over there with it loaded.
No, I'm going way back, bro.
Till I bring it to the owner, you might see me with the sweetest baddie. I might just blow out her
back and choke her. Listen,
I'm back and I'm
better.
better.
Feeling like Bryson Tiller.
All I hear is bro, this bro, that but your bro died when
my bro hopped out the dinger.
Them man talk like a bad court case, enough of them man
to singer.
Them man ain't real, we're real head steam, bro. Damn, the suspect, do it
for the skriller.
If I got a drop over there with it loaded, I'm gonna smoke him. Who
said I ain't rolling? If I got a drop over there, I'm loading, bro. Who said I ain't rolling? You're not rolling, man. Who said that about me, man? Who said I'm not rolling? Can't say that about me.
Suspect, do it for the skriller. If I got a drop over there with it loaded, I'm gonna smoke him. Who said
I'm rolling?
I was in job for 2 whack for ops and induction. Back to my plug and smoked him. 018, I left something soaking. 019, I left something soaking. When Joe came up 5 months, me and little bro done us a boot and try to leave them smoking. I got a 4-4.
He said, little bro done us a boot in Jesus Christ, little bro.
So when Joe came up 5 months, me and little bro done us a boot and try to leave them smoking.
Man said, me and little bro done us a boot in. What? Tscam, stop, bro. Stop.
019, I left something so when Joe came up 5 months, me and little bro done us a boot and try to leave them smoke.
Tscam, no more bootings, bro. Like, what's going on, fam? I thought the whole point of getting out was to not go back in. Tscam, bro, bro. I'm not for this, bro. Stop it, man. Stop doing bootings, man. What's wrong with these guys? You trying to go back? You see, he's moving like Yanko, bro. Moving like Young Diz and CB and them man, bro. Them man, they like one live in a jail, bro. Like, nah, man. We need music, fam.
I got a 4-4 on my waist, walking a bit fucked like I just put my hand.
I'm here telling him that we need music. This guy has dead friends and beef that he needs to ride for and settle and all this shit. But it's like, fam, we just don't want you to die, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's all. I just don't want Tscam to die, bro. That's it, man.
018, I left something soaking. 019, I left something soaking. When Joe came up 5 months.
or go back to jail.
Me a little bro done us a boot and try leave them smoking. I got a 4-4 on my waist, walking a bit fucked like I just pulled my hamstring. You don't wanna see gang with a gang to back, cause ZK's there, rip me and ramping. I'm bouncing shank up high, I don't wanna talk big about migraine skanking. Still trying to do it like Broadway assassin, back the hand thing. Back to my plug and smoked him. 018, I left something soaking.
019, I left something soaking.
When show came up 5 months, me a little bro done us a boot and try leave them smoking. I got a 4-4 on my waist, walking a bit fucked like I just pulled my hamstring. You don't wanna see gang with a gang to back, cause ZK's there, rip me and ramping. I'm bouncing shank up high, I don't wanna talk big about migraine skanking. Still trying to do it like Broadway assassin, back the hand thing and leave my man standing. I love riding, I love paper. Should I re-up tonight or should I go ruin or ops and break out? Anytime we ride, it's on the newspapers. No one can't talk on blitz, not time sack back turn up block shaker. I'm trying to shoot and score like Neymar. Aiken stays round bread like a baker.
DT5 on the beat. You know I'm live on the beat. You know I get high on the beat. You know I get listen, man. Bro, this song was mad, fam. This beat, I hope it wasn't like something important where it's like, you know, it was a mad single where him did I go do a video for Jano, bro. But you can't blame me still, bro. You know what I'm saying? I react to shit that's on the internet. If it's on the internet, I'm gonna react to it, bro. You know what I'm saying? So don't blame me. Blame niggas for leaking your shit, man. God damn. But yo, this was mad, bro. Like, I tell you, dog, I don't know how these guys come up with these bars. Like, it's very unique bars, you know what I'm saying? And like, people always like to talk about their timing not always being on. Like, bro, like, you listen to so many songs and the timing might be off, bro. You know what I'm saying? But it's just your preference, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can sacrifice a little bit of off timing if the bars are making me go like, what? What? You understand? So it's just certain things that you're willing to sacrifice when it comes down to music. But anyway, man, chatting way too long for this music shit. Active Gang, Tscam, Corona, the exclusive leak. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Hit that like or dislike button, and I reply to all the comments, man. So talk to me and I'll talk to you. KOGENCY and the KOGENCY X channel. I don't want this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Slip them girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah girl.